Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a profile for graphic violence. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on the search icon. Then, search for the profile which you want to report on Pinterest. Now, tap on the username and then select on the three dots icon beside the follow button. Next, tap on report and then select the graphic violence option. Finally, tap on the report button to report the Pinterest profile for graphic violence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.